In this video, we'll look at the question styles available in the base CASIC Builder package. Here's a yes/no question asking if we'd like to see some examples. I say no, and we go to the end. So let's say yes. This question is a single select multiple choice. This multiple choice question adds a text box for other text entry. The checkbox style provides up to 8 boxes per page. The Select Many style allows you to choose all that apply. There's a follow-up style that allows you to choose one from among the group you originally selected. We go back and change our choices, and notice how this is reflected in the follow-up question. Numeric entry questions can be integers, as we see here, or decimal numbers, as we see in this example. Notice, too, the Don't Know Refused buttons. This question style allows for the entry of 2 numbers, typically a range or related numbers such as hours and minutes. The 1 to 10 question style places its choice buttons on a horizontal scale. There are several options for visual analog scale question styles, including the graphic that's displayed, how the question is rounded, and how the response is displayed on the screen. Text entry style questions can be single or multiple lines. Date entry questions can be presented in a calendar style, as we see here, or you can use a list style, as we see here. If you wish to allow for partial date responses, this style allows for the separate capture of day, month, and year. Rounding out the collection of date entry styles is this style that allows entry of month and year. The grid question style can have up to 8 rows where each row has a question, and up to 8 columns where each column represents a multiple choice. It can also have an additional column for text, which could be an other entry or an additional description. The time entry style allows you to enter, well, a time, and the time span entry style allows you to enter a time duration, which may be in days as well as hours and minutes. This is a 2-part structured recall style. The parts may be used separately or together. In part 1, the subject enters recalled events into a calendar. The calendar may be a few days, a week, or up to a month. The days displayed on the calendar are relative to the current day. The events entered are displayed in part 2 of the question. Each day is a button that may be selected. In this example, we ask the subjects to recall the days he missed taking his medications. We close it out with a simple text page and our finish page. Okay, caveman, how about papyrus? We could do parchment instead. I've got it. Let's put your questionnaire on stone tablets. Thank you for viewing this presentation.